Did that big bad bear get you? You should come over here, baby. How you doing, buddy? You gonna take a bath? Yeah, what's Daddy doing? He's got you on tape. So why don't you give me some? How cute are you, huh? You gonna hang out with Daddy tomorrow? You wanna hang out with Daddy tomorrow? You and Daddy? And the boys? One big happy family? One big zoo, huh? And then what are you gonna do? And then what? Tell me about it. And then what happened? I don't believe you. I don't believe it. No way. No way. You're telling stories. You ready for a bath? It's nice and warm. Okay, we'll take a bath and we'll take his warm clothes off. Yeah, we'll put some warm socks on. Okay. We got the cutest little clothes. Do you want to wear your blue pajamas? Yeah, or your red pajamas? No way. You should come from this angle, right here. See how that looks. Now you can look at Daddy. Are you pretty close to him?
Mm-hmm.
Is it zoomed in pretty close?
Mm-hmm.
What's Daddy doing? Is he blocking your light? Yeah, I bet it's a lot darker. Yeah. Okay, that's a wrap. That's a wrap.